Hi, it's Marcus from the Road to Spoons, and today we're going to talk about the ATMOS 2-stage air compressor from Scanstrut. We recently had this addition added to our van by vanlife conversions. The ATMOS is a 2-stage air compressor, and it's for pumping up things like SUPs, kites, and also wings or other inflatables. The primary reason we wanted the ATMOS installed is because we paddleboarded a lot in the last couple of years, but when the temperatures were really hot, we were getting really hot and sweaty, pumping the boards up, and it was also putting us off a little bit, so we weren't maximising our time on the water. We really love the fact that this is hidden and protected by this plastic shell. Obviously where it's on the sliding door, it's really well protected here. This piece just comes off, and then the compressor is all underneath. The ATMOS is really simple to use. Effectively it's made up of this power button, the ability to set your pressure, you can change this between bar and PSI, and then the inflate and deflate valves are attached here. So what we'll show in a second is how we attach the hoses, how we set the PSI, and how we actually run the pump using our 12-volt system. So when you first unbox your ATMOS, you'll find this accessory pack, and inside you've got hose. This is used for inflating and deflating your products. And you've also got this stack of 5 different attachments. So there's different nozzles here, and these just basically screw on, and it depends whether you're going to be doing something like a kitesurfing kite, a paddleboard, a dinghy, or other inflatable products. Changing your different nozzles is really easy. They've all just got a screw thread on, and you just screw them straight into the hose. Those are then really nice and secure and ready to use. It's worth noting as well that the hose is available in 2 different sizes. So the one in this hand here is the standard hose length that comes with the ATMOS, and this one here is the extended hose. We are Scanstrut for the extended hose primarily just for kites, because when the kites inflate, they're obviously quite large, and we wanted them further away from anything that could snag on the van. For items like boards and paddleboards, this one's absolutely fine. So we're going to grab a paddleboard now, and we'll show you how the ATMOS functions, how to set the pressure, and how to inflate the board. Next, we're going to attach the hose, power up the ATMOS, and set the PSI. First up, we're going to attach this to the inflate. So the inflate is the top connection here. The hose just goes on, and that screws in. And with the other end, we're going to attach this onto the paddleboard. Now that's all nice and connected, we can power up the ATMOS, set the PSI, and start pumping. So to get started, we hold the power button for a second. That's booting the device. And now once that's on, the first thing we have to do is set the pressure. We press this play button at the bottom. We are on PSI, which is what we want. So we press this play button again, and then we can use the arrows to set the pressure. We're going to put this one at 17 PSI, and then hit play again, confirm our choice once more, and then that's going to start the pumping. One of the great things about having ATMOS do all the hard pumping for us is we then have more time to assemble our other bits, get ready, and sort our gear out ready to go on the water. So it's been about 10 minutes, the first board is inflated. We're just going to repeat the process for the second board, then we're going to get ready and we're going to hit the water. Cool, and we're all set.